How to report Facebook account. Let's get started. Launch your Facebook app. Make sure you have already logged into your Facebook account. You will land to the home page. Now at the top right, you will find this search icon. Click on it. At the top, you will see the search box. Over here, type in the username of the Facebook account that you want to report. Go to the profile. Once you land to the profile of that person, over here you will find three dots. Click on it. Different options will appear. Go ahead and click on the option of report profile. Now over here you have to select a reason why do you want to report this profile. Click on submit. Click on done. What else would you like to do? You can block, unfollow, likewise you can unfriend this person. Go ahead and select the option and click on done. With that, I have just reported this Facebook account. By applying the same process, you are able to report anyone on your Facebook account. Well, that's all for this video. This is how you can easily report Facebook account. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.